Yo. Man, Keimami sa kinda. Yo. No kuyala no ame usere la kiamanda. Non-profit organization, oh yeah man. Keimami sa kinda. Puna the legend of Tubuna. A heart that gives back with a non-profit soul, lifting up others to make a whole, and trading the charts for the hustle and grind, leaving no stone in the city behind. Behind the wheel as an Uber night, navigating the streets through the darkest night. And when engines sputter and pistons break down, he's the finest mechanic in all of the town. When the pavement ends and the wild cause clear, he's a hunter and gatherer shedding all fear. The struggle is real, but Ouna will always greet you with a smile. Pigla utoka drop by matani pussy. Keimami sa kida. Puna sa punaga. Yeah. Kanana yeah. Pigla utoka drop by matani pussy. Keimami sa kida. Puna sa punaga. Yeah. A true provider, bold, rugged and free. A man carved of grit and dignity, known far and wide as Tubuna the legend, with the spirit unbroken, fierce and heaven sent. Keimami sa kinda, the emblem of pride.